There's only one, there's only one. It's only one, just only one, just love and happiness, beauty and home.
Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video because I finally learned how to put on a wig, child. Clap it up for your girl. It's been years of me just admiring all the girlies with their wig nice and laid, matching their scalp, and I'm like, one of these days I'm gonna get in that bag. But I felt like it was so hard for me. But I finally did some research and I learned how to do it myself. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've learned. Now this is very beginner friendly because I am a beginner, okay? So it may not be perfect, but it's definitely better than having the helmet wig on, looking crazy. So we're gonna get into that today. So thank you so much to KLAIYI Hair for sponsoring today's video. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, let's see what's in this box. I literally have not opened this, so I don't even know what's in there yet. We got wig cap, lashes, headband thing. So I don't remember exactly what the name of this unit is, but I'm gonna put it on the screen, and of course it'll always be in the description box. Oh my gosh, look at this color. Stop playing with her. Wow. Wow. This is bringing me back to another time. Y'all remember this time? It was a good time. That time did give me a little bit of color damage, but who needs color damage when you have a wig? Hello? Oh yeah, yes honey. This on my skin, stop. Oh, we're gonna have a good time today. Let's just reveal what's happening under here. And I'm just gonna plop it on real quick just to see what we're working with. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Let me show you the hairline. To be honest, the hairline really is not bad. I really don't think I'm gonna have to do too much to this hair. Ooh, praise break. All right, I'm excited, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put my wig on my little wig head thing and secure them down with pins. Now I'm going to pluck the front of this lace, and to be honest, this lace really doesn't need plucking because you can tell it's pre-plucked already because you can see like, you know, little scalp looking things in the front. I'm just doing it because I'm extra and just because I learned how to do it now I want to do it on every single wig, but there really is no need for this wig because it is pre-plucked. But I'm just gonna give it a little bit more of you know, scalp looking look. Even though this wig is super curly, you really don't need that. But anyways, I'm gonna do it anyways because I learned how to and I want to show it off. So what I learned is you do like 3 to 5 plucks back, and you like skip each section. Like you can kind of see I'm like skipping like a little centimeter of hair each time. I'm like doing every other like little section, and I'll go 3 to 5 parts back. So I hope that makes sense. But as you can see, I'm like doing like 3 to 5 plucks, and then I'm skipping around, but then I'm going back and forth and doing it over and over again. And then I'll just brush it back so I can get out all the loose hairs. And then I'll just keep doing that back and forth, keep parting the hair, keep going back, and just plucking at least 3 to 5 hairs per section. All right, so I want to show you a little side by side. This is the side that I just plucked lightly, and then this is the other side. You can really tell with the hairline that other side is a little boxy, and this side just gives it a little bit more of a natural form and a natural wave. Now, this is very light plucking. Some people go in way more than this, but since I'm a beginner, I want to make sure I do no bald spots or nothing, so I just kept it really light. And that's how much hair I plucked out of one side. So now I'm just going to go in and do the same exact thing on the other side and just pluck down and skip every little piece. All right, so now the hairline is all plucked. Like I said, it's light. Y'all don't come for me. So it's just a little bit more natural than it was before. And now we are ready to throw this on our head. So I will apologize. I guess I didn't press record when I was putting the foundation on my wig cap, but it really is not a big deal. So I'm just throwing it on. I did put a little bit of foundation on the lace as well, so you see it's a little bit more of a dark brown shade around my forehead. And this is the glue I'm using. Guys, I've only used this for 1 week and I've already worn it down, baby. I've been really practicing my wigs and gluing them on my head. But with this stuff, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just putting it right in front of my hairline, and then I'll use the tip or the edge or the end of like a pointy comb, rat tail comb or whatever, pointy brush, and just spread it out. And then I'm going to use my fan to dry it just a little bit and get it tacky so that I can pull it over front of my hair. All right, so now I'm just putting this wig band on my head, and let me tell y'all something. This is the longest that I've let one sit on my hair since I was also styling the hair at the same time, and I didn't realize how important it was to keep this on your hair or like around your edges for a long time, because I was usually doing like 3 to 5 minutes, but I kept this one on for like 15 to 20 minutes, and my wig, child, has stayed in the same spot. It hasn't slid back not once yet, and I've been wearing this for about 4 or 5 days now. So that's just my little advice to you. And I've only used 1 layer of glue, so you know like that wig band is important. So I am just defining the curls with my coconut curls. What is this called? Mousse? I'll leave it in the description box. But the curls are so pretty on this wig, you guys. This unit is really doing what it needs to do. Very pretty. So I'm just defining the curls the way that I like them. They're hanging nice and long. And then I'm really gonna just mold and get the shape of this hair to fit perfect for my face. So this is the hairline, what it looks like after I glued it down and cut the lace off. And can we just get into this color against my skin? Am I not Ariel? Am I not Ariel under the sea? I am. I don't care what nobody says. So I'm just using this Ruby Kisses. I believe it's a color 16. I'm putting it around the hairline to kind of match my skin a little bit better. I'm still playing around to see which color is going to be the perfect match for me. But as for right now, this will do. I did get a little bit on the hair, but don't worry about it. So now we're really gonna get into it, because I love like curly hair, like a nice wet look and everything, but when it's shaped and sexy and big, I love big hair. So we're just gonna diffuse it so that we can get some body and some shape into this hair. So the key for that is just starting from the bottom and pushing it up so that you can dry the ends and the roots at the same time. And sometimes I'm just gonna go straight into the roots. I'm really just trying to get the hair nice and dry so that it can start growing and get bigger, and you can see it happening. And I love the color of the hair when it's dry. It's like a nice auburn ginger color. Oh, it's beautiful. So after I pick it out with my wide tooth comb, I'm gonna shape the hair a little bit, and I'm gonna use my scissors and cut it. So for me, I'm not a professional obviously, but I'm just gonna try to get it in a round shape. So it's like shorter on the sides, you know, cut it on the bottom, just trying to round it out a little bit, and you can see the difference from there. All right, you guys, what do you think? Literally, okay. So the only thing that I did off camera, which I don't even know if you can tell, is that I put some concealer in my part and I cut the other side. But now I'm just gonna do it one more fluff to get the girls nice and wide. You know, now that I'm thinking about it, I didn't even need to tuck the hairline as much as I did, because like, no one's looking at that. You know what I'm saying? No one's looking at that, but I just want the hair nice and big. Oh my gosh, I haven't had red hair in so long. I'm melting. I love it so much. All right. This is 2019, 2020 Jess. Oh, KLAIYI, I just want to thank you and your associates for sending me this wig, because I just continue to unlock a new character in me. Who am I today? I don't know. If I knew how to do my hair like this back in the day, and I knew that this wig existed, I probably have so much hair left on my head. Like the color damage. Who needs color damage when you have a wig? I mean, people were trying to tell me that back in the day, but I wasn't listening, and I'm so sorry. Y'all were right. Y'all were right. Anyways, that's really all I have for this tutorial, you guys. I really hope you like this look, because I'm about to be rocking this like fall. I'm sorry. Wait. There's one thing I'm ever gonna tell y'all is to not play with her. Anyways, before I get too ahead of myself, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Everything you need to know is in the description box. If you try this and you post some pictures, tag me so I can see how good you look. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
There's only one, just only one, just there's only one, there's only one. It's only one, just only one, just